you big boy now? You look like Ate Hadassah. Are you talking? That's his, baby dog. Cute, right? Baby, beautiful friends. You lay down. Do you wanna talk? Hey. David, we just ate food, beautiful friends. Do you want a little bit dessert? You're allowed. Yum, 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 yum. You're a big boy now. I love you. We love you. What's that? I told him to sleep. Take a nap. Sleep. He knows the word sleep, babe. That's the very first word I taught him so that he would sleep when it's the right time. Para may pahinga. Sleep? Sleep? Yeah. Don't grow up so fast. Just stay like that. You're so cute. Cute, 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 cute. Remembrance. Let's show this to Tita, ha? Because she's watching you. Yeah, you look like your cousins. Yeah. Yeah. Smile. Yeah. We love you. We love you. He always wants me to hold him, but I'm eating right now. Look at this place that I made for him, right? Wow! Kasi pag sa sofa ka may maliit, yung crib maliit din. Dito muna. Yeah, what can you say about that? I have a lot of work to do. I have dishes to do. My back hurts, but it's okay. We love you. We love you. You're a cutie pie. Do you wanna talk? We love you.